We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NASA's attempt to destroy the black hole, or 4D10, has failed. Everyone at the NASA station was killed instantly as the black hole sucked the building inwards, causing it to collapse and disappear from sight. This is a very life-threatening situation.